Hey communication literacy team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's class, we're going to focus on the communication literacy exam, the MTEL 01, and specifically the writing exam. I want you to use this video to help you on that exam. And if you like this stuff, give the video a big thumbs up at the end and maybe check out a class sometime, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's do our first set of problems from the communication literacy writing exam. Let's take a look. And now we're going to do the short answer, 20 minutes for 7 short sentences that we have to fix. And that's going to work out to roughly 3 minutes per sentence. And this is what we'll spend some time on today. That involves this stuff, right? Fixing sentences with mistakes, errors in subject-verb agreement. A mistake with maybe a fragment sentence or a misplaced comma. Maybe it needs a comma, right? Maybe it's going to be something with an apostrophe, when to use it, when not to use it. Maybe there's a dangling modifier. Maybe we have a run-on sentence. So we're going to be looking at these common mistakes. This is a big portion of your test. Right? It's 20% on the multiple choice, 20% there. And then remember we said each of these 7 questions is weighted twice as much, or they rounded up to 15%. So collectively, this revising, editing, grammar stuff works out to be 35% of your test. Is that right, team? These sections here add up to 35% of your test. So that's kind of a big deal, right? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. Maybe you'll find it helpful. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.